So we need to prove the following. Let us begin. So what we'll do, we'll start by first considering sine theta times sine of 60 degrees minus theta times sine of 60 degree added to theta. What we'll do, we're going to multiply and divide by 2 such that we get half sine of theta multiplied to 2 times sine of 60 degree minus theta times sine of 60 degree plus theta. The reason why we multiplied and divided by 2, because now we have a formula here. So whenever we have 2 times sine of angle A multiplied to sine of angle B, so that's given by cosine of angle A minus B minus cosine of angle A plus B. So let's use this particular formula, and that's going to give us half sine theta. So that gets multiplied to sine, we'll have cosine. So cosine of, we need A minus B. Now that means we'll need 60 degree minus theta minus 60 degree minus theta, and subtract from it cosine of A plus B. So that's 60 degree minus theta added to 60 degree plus theta. Fine. So now we have half sine theta multiplied to cosine of angle. So here 60 degree and 60 degree gets cancelled, so we have cosine of negative 2 theta minus cosine of angle. So here negative theta and positive theta cancels out, leaving us at 120 degrees. Fine. Now we know that our cosine is an even function. So cosine is an even function means that cosine of negative 2 theta will become equals to positive cosine 2 theta. So here we have cosine of 2 theta and we need cosine of 120 degrees. So cosine of 120, that's negative 1/2, which means our value comes out to be half sine theta multiplied to cosine of 2 theta added to 1/2. Okay, so now we're going to multiply half sine theta with the two terms within the parentheses, giving us 1/2 sine theta times cosine of 2 theta added to 1/4 times sine of angle theta. Now we will work with the first term. What we'll do, we're going to multiply and divide by 2. So we get 1/4 multiplied to cosine of 2 times cosine of 2 theta times sine theta added to 1/4 times sine theta. Fine. So here 2 times cosine 2 theta times sine 2 theta. We can again apply the formula. So whenever we have 2 times cosine of angle A times sine of angle B, that will be equals to sine of angle A plus B minus sine of angle A minus B. Fine. So we will get 1/4 multiplied to, let's apply the formula, sine of, so A plus B means 2 theta added to theta, giving us 3 theta minus sine of angle, we need A minus B, so 2 theta minus theta, that's simply theta added to 1/4 times sine theta. So we get 1/4 times sine of angle 3 theta minus 1/4 times sine of angle theta added to 1/4 times sine of angle theta. So the second and the third term cancels out, and that leaves us with 1/4 times sine of angle 3 theta. Meaning we started out by computing sine of angle theta times sine of angle 60 degree minus theta times sine of angle 60 degree plus theta. And we obtained this value as equals to 1/4 times sine of angle 3 theta. Okay, fine. Now what we'll do, we'll take the absolute value on both sides to get absolute value of sine theta times sine 60 degree minus theta times sine 60 degree plus theta. So this will be equals to the absolute value of 1/4 of sine 3 theta. Now we know that the maximum value of sine 3 theta is going to be equals to 1. So sine theta, if we take the absolute value of sine theta, that's always the maximum value is going to be equals to 1, which means that absolute value of sine theta times sine 60 degree minus theta times sine 60 degree plus theta. So this value must be less than or equals to 1 over 4. So hence we have successfully proved the problem.